Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it, and let's get right into it. Part of becoming the best version of yourself is all about being able to realize and acknowledge your character, realizing and knowing what type of person you are. If you're the type of person that's very quick to be negative and find a reason to complain about something, then you really have to look deep down and think about why you're like that. There's some people that are never really truly happy, some people that don't seem to find any silver lining, don't seem to find positivity. You can present them with greatest idea in life, but they always seem to find a way to nitpick that idea. Or you can present them with a huge amount of money and they can always find a reason to be negative and ask you why you didn't give more. If you're those type of people, then you have to look deep within and realize what you're lacking. What are you trying to hide by immediately resulting to a negative emotion? What is really going deep down within yourself that you're trying to contain so much that everything has to be negative? Because we all know misery loves company. So it may mean that you're actually miserable inside. You're going through a situation that you're trying to ignore, that you're trying to cover up by hurting other people in the process. If you have to deal with those type of people, or you are that kind of person, really dig deep down and see what's missing in your life, what you're unhappy about. Try and come to terms with your fears and your worries. What worries you? Maybe you're undergoing a very difficult situation and people don't necessarily know that, but it's showing through the way you're reacting to things, you're reacting to everyday life. Sometimes people lash out because they have serious problems that you don't know about. So it's about being mindful of yourself and other people around you when you're going through a tough situation. Are you constantly being negative because you're jealous? Are you constantly being negative because you feel like you can't attain those things for yourself? Are you constantly being negative and criticizing others because you don't want to see other people succeed? You have to really dig deep down and think about why you lash out at other people. Why are you not really celebrating those other people? Is it because you want that same thing for yourself? If you want that same thing for yourself, then work at your own personal growth. Find ways to be happy with who you are within yourself. Usually people that are not happy within themselves find reasons to attack other people. Sort out your inner issues and stop letting your unhappiness transcend into other people's lives. Have you gone through a traumatic experience recently? You have to really dig deep down and do some self-reflection and realize why you're lashing out so much, why you're really, the first person to be negative. If you want to grow and stop being that person, you have to really think about how to improve that aspect of your life, how to improve and have better relationships, and how to be positive in life. So make sure that you're not the type of person to be negative. Use this as a way to be able to find one positive thing out of every situation every day, and you see how your life will drastically change. So I hope, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one.